Guys, I thought I'd make a quick video as to help you understand what's going on and what I'm going to do that's super quick today. So there is your control valve pack with the pressure relief spring, and then below that is the counterbalance valve. So I'm going to go closer. Okay. The relief spring is there. I'm going to pull that super quick, see if the spring is broken. If not, I'm going to check the pressure to make sure it's at 1,000 psi and not at 300. If it is low, I'm going to bring it up to where it should be. So the whirring noise you're hearing is essentially similar to when you turn a steering wheel all the way to the right and it dead blows. It's a pressure relief, but you don't want it to engage too early because you wouldn't be able to turn the steering wheel. And it's the same for lifting. So we want to make sure it's at 1,000 and the spring's not broken. If both those things pass, this is the counterbalance valve. It's non-adjustable, it says. So at that point, whenever and if you're ever ready, we'll replace that. So I will check these two things now. If both pass, then it'll be this guy later on down the road. All right. Thank you.